Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Azure Synapse Data Exploration. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows you to integrate and analyze data from various sources. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to explore your data in Azure Synapse. First step is to create a new workspace in Azure Synapse. To do this, navigate to the Azure portal and search for Azure Synapse. Click on Create and follow the prompts to set up your workspace. Once your workspace is created, you can start exploring your data. Next step is to connect to your data source. Azure Synapse supports various data sources such as Azure Storage, Azure SQL Database, and on-premises data sources. You can connect to your data source by creating a new link service. To do this, navigate to the Manage tab in your workspace and click on Link Services. Then click on New and select the type of data source you want to connect to. After connecting to your data source, you can create a new dataset. A dataset is a reference to the data in your data source. To create a new dataset, navigate to the Develop tab in your workspace and click on Datasets. Then click on New Dataset and select the type of dataset you want to create. Now that you have connected to your data source and created a new dataset, you can start exploring your data. Azure Synapse provides a powerful query editor that allows you to write SQL queries to analyze your data. To open the query editor, navigate to the Develop tab in your workspace and click on Query Editor. Then select the dataset you want to query and start writing your SQL query. As you start exploring your data, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure data quality and security. One best practice is to use proper data governance and access control. Azure Synapse provides features such as role-based access control and data encryption to ensure that your data is secure. Another best practice is to optimize your queries for performance. Azure Synapse provides features such as query optimization and caching to improve query performance. You can also use the query editor to analyze the performance of your queries and identify areas for optimization. In conclusion, Azure Synapse is a powerful tool for data exploration and analysis. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can connect to your data source, create a new dataset, and start exploring your data. Remember to follow best practices to ensure data quality and security and optimize your queries for performance. With Azure Synapse, you can unlock insights and make informed decisions with your data.